There we have it, folks. Mitch Trubisky has been named the starting quarterback for the Chicago Bears for the 2020 NFL season. What is going on, y'all? Fox Sports Talk back at it with another video. And as you could tell, I am hyped because I've been telling you guys this all off season for months, for weeks. I have been very convicted in my position saying that Mitchell Trubisky would win the starting job for the Chicago Bears over Nick Foles. And now we have official confirmation. Well, technically not official because Matt Nagy hasn't technically come out and said it, but it's coming from the best source you can, which is Adam Schefter at ESPN, who basically tweeted that the Bears are expected to go with Mitchell Trubisky as their starting quarterback and name Mitchell Trubisky as a starting quarterback over Nick Foles. It is due to his overall performance in camp, his leadership, and his progression. Okay, so I told you, and I don't want to gloat, but man, it feels good right now, okay? Because there was a lot of people out there, folks, like Bears reporters and you know, a bunch of Trubisky haters and all these people saying like Nick Foles, you know, the Bears wouldn't trade for Nick Foles if he was not going to, you know, absolutely be the starter. And I kept telling you guys this. Listen, my position was very simple. Mitch Trubisky getting the starting job just made more sense than Nick Foles, right? What have I said from the beginning? Mitch Trubisky wins the starting job, but if he doesn't play well, you bring in Nick Foles. And this is why I have been so confident in my position, because I told you Mitch would win the starting job. I told you guys that. But I never said he's going to keep the starting job. Okay? So don't, you know, get it twisted here. If Mitch gets benched in like week 2 or week 3, I'm not saying he will. But if he does, don't come in my mention saying, Faz, you were wrong, Mitch got benched. No, I said he would win the starting job. I didn't say he'd keep it. So if Mitch, obviously, you know, does not play well and he gets benched for Nick Foles, so be it at that point. Obviously, nobody hopes that happens. We all hope that Mitch Trubisky plays well, and I'll probably make another video, you know, discussing my expectations for it. But the point is, I just said he would win the starting job. And now we know that he will be the starting quarterback against the Detroit Lions in week 1. And boy, I'm hyped. And here's the other thing, folks. The thing about, you know, being right here isn't so much to, you know, come on here and just say, oh, I'm right and gloat. It's not about that. It's more to show you guys that this is what I feel like a lot of, you know, current sports media is missing. And hopefully the reason why you guys follow me is the logic, right? And I told you guys from the beginning my position and the reasoning behind it. And it had just become like this cool thing to hate on Mitch Trubisky. And I'm like, listen, I don't know how anybody has any issues with any of the Bears players succeeding. You should root for everybody to succeed. And I'm so glad that you guys could see now that I had walked through my position. I gave you guys my reasoning. And this is, again, why I started this channel, right? Smart, sophisticated analysis to make me smarter, make you guys smarter. You know, it's all about hot takes these days. And so I was never one of those guys. And so that's why, more than anything, I'm happy about is the fact that you guys were able to understand my position, know where I was coming from, know why I made this stance. Now, again, it was a 50-50 proposition. So you might be saying, Faz, I mean, you didn't actually go out on a limb here and pick from like, you know, 10 different things. But here's the thing. I have been convicted. I wasn't, you know, like flip-flopping. I had told you since, I think the offseason started, since the Bears traded for Nick Foles, that Mitch Trubisky would start. So, listen, guys, hopefully, again, this is the year that Mitch Trubisky takes the leap. This is certainly, I've told you guys this as well, this is certainly his last chance in the NFL, I believe, as a starting quarterback. If he does not perform this year, it would be over for him as a starting quarterback, I believe. But I do believe he will perform. He has made the progressions in training camp, as we have heard and seen now. Hopefully he's cleaned up his footwork. Hopefully he's worked on his accuracy issues, being able to read defenses. So I'm hyped, folks. The season is literally just about a week away, and I can't wait. So make sure, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, that you subscribe. Make sure to follow me on all my social media platforms. As always, folks, Thank you so much for supporting, man. I love you guys, and I will talk to you guys soon.